Hello everyone and welcome to English. I am Jacob, your host for today. Before we begin, I want you to stay with me for just 1 minute because by the end of this lesson, you'll notice something surprising. Your English won't just sound better, it will start to feel more natural. So don't worry about memorizing anything. Just relax, listen, and let your brain absorb the rhythm of real English. And if you are new here, I want to tell you something very important. We upload powerful English learning lessons every single day to help you improve your English faster and more confidently. In today's episode, you're going to train your ears, your mouth, and your mind because this is a complete B1-B2 English shadowing practice masterclass. In this lesson, you will not only improve your English listening skills, but also your English speaking fluency, your pronunciation, and your confidence when using advanced English vocabulary in daily life. Today, we're diving into a very important topic that every English learner needs. You will learn how to use advanced English vocabulary and natural phrases in real daily life situations. You will practice how to speak clearly, think faster, and express yourself with confidence. And through shadowing exercises, repeat after me sessions, and real-life examples, you will train your brain to respond in English automatically. Whether you want to speak confidently at work, communicate naturally with friends, or express your ideas smoothly in any conversation, this lesson will help you build the skills you need to become fluent in English. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss powerful English learning episodes like this. So, take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's get started. I want you to begin this practice by simply listening to my voice and allowing the rhythm of English to flow into you. Because shadowing is not just repeating words. It is training your mind to think in English, training your mouth to move in English, and training your ears to recognize the patterns of natural speech. So, as we move forward in this lesson, just relax and follow along with me, slowly, gently, naturally, and you will notice how your English becomes smoother with every minute you spend here. Right now, imagine yourself in a simple daily life situation. You wake up in the morning. Your mind is still quiet. You stretch, take a breath, and you think about the things you need to say in English. Maybe you have to talk to someone at work. Maybe you want to send a message to a friend. Maybe you want to express your ideas more clearly. In this lesson, we will practice the exact sentences you can use in those daily moments. So as you listen, try to picture these moments happening in your real life. Shadow this with me slowly. I am improving my English every single day. I am becoming more confident. I am learning new words, and I am speaking more naturally. Repeat it again in your mind or say it out loud if you can, because these simple sentences help your brain stay motivated and relaxed while learning. Now let's move into our first real-life speaking situation. Imagine you are in the kitchen preparing your breakfast, and you want to describe what you are doing in natural English. This is excellent practice because daily life narration helps your brain stay in English without translation. So listen and repeat after me in your mind. I'm making my breakfast right now. I woke up feeling fresh today. I'm preparing some tea. I'm thinking about my plans for the day. I want to speak better English today, and I'm ready to learn. These simple descriptions train your brain to use English automatically without stopping to translate your thoughts. Let's go deeper. Imagine you have to explain your morning routine to someone. Maybe a coworker, maybe a friend, maybe someone you meet for the first time. Listen to this natural example. My morning was pretty calm today. I woke up early, made a cup of tea, checked my messages, and prepared my things for the day. Now, shadow this with me slowly, naturally. My morning was pretty calm today. I woke up early. I made a cup of tea. I checked my messages and I prepared my things for the day. These sentences are simple but extremely useful because they help you build fluency through common actions you experience daily. Now imagine someone asks you, "How's your English practice going?" This is your moment to use advanced vocabulary that still feels natural and confident. Listen to this example. My English practice has been very consistent lately. I'm focusing on expanding my vocabulary and speaking more clearly. Shadow this with me. My English practice has been very consistent lately. I'm focusing on expanding my vocabulary and speaking more clearly. These kinds of sentences show confidence, control, and daily improvement. Let's move into another daily moment.
The air is fresh, and you're thinking in English. You see people around you and your brain tries to describe everything in English. This is a powerful mental exercise. So, shadow this with me. I'm walking to work right now. The weather is nice. I'm thinking about the conversations I'll have today. I want to express myself more clearly and I'm ready for a new day. Keep repeating these slowly, letting the rhythm guide you. Now we will practice advanced vocabulary in a gentle, natural way. Words that help you sound more fluent and confident. Listen to this daily life English conversations. Today I want to be more intentional with my English learning. I want to pay attention to the expressions people use. I want to observe how native speakers create smooth, connected sentences, and I want to incorporate new vocabulary into my daily conversations. Now shadow this today. I want to be more intentional with my English learning. I want to pay attention. I want to observe and I want to incorporate new vocabulary. These words, intentional, observe, incorporate, help level up your English instantly. Let's add another real conversation situation. Imagine you meet a colleague or a friend and they ask, "How have you been lately?" Listen to this natural answer. "I've been doing well. I've been focusing on improving my English skills and communicating more confidently in different situations." Now, shadow it with me. I've been doing well. I've been focusing on improving my English skills and communicating more confidently. This helps you express your progress with clarity. Now imagine you are in a cafe waiting for your order and you want to describe what you see around you. This is a great shadowing practice. Listen, I'm sitting in a small cafe right now. It's quiet. I can hear soft music. I'm thinking about my day and I'm practicing English while I wait. Now repeat it in your mind. I'm sitting in a small cafe right now. It's quiet. I can hear soft music. I'm thinking about my day, and I'm practicing English while I wait. This type of narration helps build flow, rhythm, and natural descriptive ability. Before we continue, take a gentle breath, relax your shoulders, and allow your mind to stay present with the English you are hearing. You are not just learning. You are transforming the way you think and speak. And with every shadowing phrase, you are building a stronger, more confident English-speaking version of yourself. We will keep expanding into deeper daily life situations, advanced vocabulary practice, and long-form shadowing examples as we move forward. You are doing great and your progress is already happening. As we continue this practice, I want you to imagine that English is becoming a comfortable space for your thoughts, a place where ideas flow without pressure, without hesitation, without fear. Many learners at the B1-B2 level struggle because they know many words, but they cannot bring those words into real conversations. And that is exactly what we are training here through shadowing, consistency, repetition, and real-life examples that reflect the way people actually speak. Now imagine you're talking to a friend who asks about your goals. You want to sound confident and motivated. Shadow this with me slowly. One of my main goals this year is to speak English more naturally. I want to express my ideas clearly and confidently in every situation, and I want to use more advanced vocabulary in daily conversations. Let the words flow. Feel the rhythm and let your mind internalize the structure. Let's go deeper into describing personal growth, something many English learners talk about. Listen to this smooth example. I've been working on improving my fluency because I want to communicate without stopping to think. I want English to come to me automatically like a natural part of my daily life. Now shadow it. I've been working on improving my fluency. I want English to come to me automatically like a natural part of my daily life. These lines build confidence and clarity at the same time. Now, imagine a new daily life situation. You're at work or school, and someone asks you to explain how your week is going. You want to respond with a more advanced, expressive answer. Shadow this slowly. This week has been quite productive. I've been focusing on refining my communication skills and paying attention to how people express themselves. Words like productive, refining, communication skills, express. Instantly raise your speaking level to B2. Let's practice describing emotions because emotional vocabulary is essential for speaking naturally. Listen to this natural expression. I've been feeling more confident lately because my English practice is becoming more consistent. I feel more comfortable using new vocabulary and expressing my ideas with clarity. Now, shadow it softly. I've been feeling more confident lately. My English practice is becoming more consistent. I feel more comfortable using new vocabulary